is that? Oh, oh, oh my, oh gosh, who is in the bathroom? Hi, I'm Betty. Welcome to Thrifty After 50. And if you found your way to this channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope you really like what we have for you today. Now, if you really like crafting and DIYs and life after 50, grandkids and kids and crafting, and I think I already said that, then you have found the right place. So I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of my latest uploads, and I hope you will also hit the like button, and that lets me know that you liked the content. So what did you think of that little episode, my little acting skills there? Funny, huh? Well, but it is the truth. I mean, how many times have you gone to the bathroom, or you've walked into a bathroom, and it just is, the stench is just horrible. I mean, somebody had something and it just did not agree with them. Well, there are things to help with that. And there is a name brand product, and I'm not sponsored by any of this, but I just want to let you know. It's called Poopery. And the concept is that you spray it over the toilet bowl or into your toilet bowl water, and it creates a film on top so that it kind of traps the odor from your visit to the bathroom and doesn't overflow outside the bathroom or anywhere else, and it makes going to the bathroom just a little bit more pleasant and a lot less embarrassing. And the product is obviously called Poopery, and I'm sure you've heard of it, and I'm sure you have watched those hilarious commercials. I just enjoy watching the commercials. They are just so funny. But, I thought, well, that's a great idea. You go to someone's, a party, or you go to someone's house, and all of a sudden, you know what's coming, and you got your little bottle of Poopery, and you spray in the toilet, and nobody knows anything. It's just a wonderful idea. And then I thought, well, you keep that in every bathroom, and, have that sitting out for anybody who comes over for your own bathroom. So I'm like, great idea. And they come in so many different scents and stuff. It is just amazing, and they all smell wonderful. But for 2 ounces, it's $9.99, and it's like, what is this, perfume? So I am here to tell you that you have some options. If you like Poopery and you like those scents, I think it's a great idea. But, yeah, I think there's some other options we can go with. Now, Dollar Tree also has their version of it. It's made by Fresh Scent, and it's the same concept. They actually call theirs toilet spray, and not toilet water, not to be confused. But it's the same concept. You spray it into your water in the toilet bowl. It films over the water, covers the odor and traps the odor of what you're about to unload into the toilet. And it's only $1 for 1.1 ounce. So, a little bit better option. And they have 2 fragrances. They have lemon, and they also have lavender. Now, I tried the lavender, and I wasn't as crazy about it, but I did like the lemon fresh scent. But I tend to like lemon smell and fruit scents and citrus scents a lot more than I do floral scents. I do like floral scents, but the lavender seemed a little strong to me and you know, whereas the lemon just felt nice and clean, like you just cleaned your bathroom. So I liked that scent. But I'm here to tell you today, guess what? You can do it for even less and make several bottles. And I'm going to show you how you can do that today. So here we are. We're going to make this DIY poo spray. And what I've got here is I've got a measuring cup. I have got some alcohol. I have got, you can use one, but I have two scents. This happens to be lemon, and this happens to be bergamot. 100% pure essential oil. I also have two pump spray bottles that I bought at Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. And then I'm going to use some dish soap. I always use dish soap when I make my homemade cleaning products. You can also use hand soap for this. This is going to give you that film that is created on top of your the toilet water when you use to spray it. So we're going to start out with 4 ounces of distilled water, which is about half a cup, or water. You know, they recommend distilled water most of the time. And then we're going to do about 20 to 30 drops of essential oils. I'm going to do probably 10 of each of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you know how many times I count 10 on a daily basis, or count with little kids? I'm always counting with little kids, teaching them to count. But I love it. It's awesome. And we do it in fun ways. Okay, here we go. 10 drops of lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And then we want a couple of tablespoons of alcohol. This is new alcohol. So a couple of tablespoons of okay. Woo! You can also use witch hazel if you don't have rubbing alcohol, but you can pick this up for like, this is what, 16 ounces for like $1 at Dollar Tree. Smell. And then just 1 little teaspoon of soap. Okay. Stir that up. Now this is gonna this makes about 4 ounces of the poo spray. Okay, so I'm going to take my little bottle and I'm gonna put my little funnel in here, and I am going to fill up this bottle with our poop spray. Now, both products that we talked about, both the poo spray and the Dollar Tree spray, recommend that you shake this up before you use it. And then that's nice. Now you can vary your drops of essential oils. We used 20 drops, but you could do 30 drops of the essential oils if you want a little bit stronger smell. I personally like the light smell, but with essential oils I probably could have gone 30 on this. But Now you've got one for your purse, you know, to take with you. And then you've got a couple of extra to, I think this is actually going to make 2 of these. Because I'm about to fill up another little. Yeah, this is, oh, nope. I think it's going to make 3. Might even make 4. I've got 3 sitting here. Just because that's what I had. I actually have these. These are like crafting in the craft section, in the crafter square section of Dollar Tree. You know, 2 for $1. You can't beat it. And they hold 2 fluid ounces, but we wound up getting 3 of these little bottles out of that little bit of ingredients. And now you've got your own poopery spray. And you can create your own little label for that, little cute little label for that, and know what it is, and then have a nice little place in your purse for that and use it. And it does work, because I use this. This is what I use. I have it in my purse, and I do use it, and it does work. Yes, yes, I know. Y'all are giggling. I can hear you giggling in the background, but yes, it works. So there you are, your own DUI. I sound like I've got a D. I'm gonna get a DUI or something, but I'm not. Okay. Anyway, your own DIY poo spray that you can take with you, so you won't have those embarrassing moments. I'm trying to talk very posh, and it's not working out too well. So, listen, once again, thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked what we did today with our own DIY. I still want to say DUI. DIY. DIY. Do it yourself. DIY. Do it yourself. DIY. Your own DIY poo spray. Okay, y'all listen, I've had fun doing this today. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, again, give me a thumbs up. You know, put down in the comments, which one of those do you like? Do you like to make your own? Do you use the Dollar Tree one? And have you tried the poopery? Because I don't want to know, because I only smelt them. I just, like, at $9 was like, $9 for poop spray. I don't know. But you tell me below what you think. And you know, if you've tried it, I'm just curious, you know, if you liked it and if it really worked, and which scent did you get? Because they have such a variety of scents. So tell me what, and then also tell me what essential oil scents you like. Tell me what you like. And I hope to see you in my next video. Remember, guys, it's a tough world out there. Choose joy. Bye.